Hi, this is Frank. This is a 1999 Toyota Tacoma PreRunner with a two-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, automatic transmission. We have just installed a replacement transmission in this truck. In this video, I'm going to show you a useful quick tip for how to install the torque converter on the replacement transmission. This is one of the most important steps in installing a transmission, and it's the one that can most frequently lead to problems down the road. This is the old transmission, is going back to the rebuilder as a core. Taking the bell housing off of this old transmission and put it on the new transmission. It gives a clear view of the splined input shaft that the torque converter mounts onto. When you go to install the torque converter onto the transmission, it's easy to get it into a first step, but you're not done yet. You have to wiggle it around so it takes a second step that takes it in a little bit deeper. But even with the second step, you're not done yet. There's a third step. So let me clarify the steps. On the first step, these mounting brackets are just about 1/4 inch from the front of the bell housing. And with the second step, they're at about 1/2 inch from the front of the bell housing. But for a final installation, these brackets have to be 3/4 inch, or about 18 millimeters, or further back from the bell housing. And I'm going to show you the only way that I know how to do that. This is how you get the torque converter to the correct clearance inside the bell housing. We've suspended the entire transmission from the engine hoist so that we have the force of gravity helping to push the torque converter down. And without gravity helping you, you ain't ever going to get it to where it needs to be. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.